Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers and welcome back. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make two awesome subs. One is the chicken Parmigiana and the other is the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. We want to dedicate this video to Joseph, or Joey as we say in
He
Brooklyn.
requested that we did a Philly cheesesteak sandwich, so we made it for him. Plus, we're gonna eat good today.
Alright, let's show these folks how to make these two awesome subs. Alright, we're gonna start the chicken Parmesan. First thing we're gonna do is take the chicken breast and we're just gonna trim some of the fat off of it. Then we're gonna slice it in half. You wanna make it thin as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and pound these out. Put a piece of plastic wrap on it so the chicken doesn't splash. All right, let's flip it over. Now we're gonna go ahead and salt and pepper them. On both sides. Got our egg wash here. Went ahead and seasoned it with a little salt, pepper, and some granulated garlic. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is dip it in the flour, evenly coat it, then the egg wash, and then the breadcrumb. This is Italian style breadcrumb right here. Progresso, yes, that's all we use. That's it. We're ready to fry these cutlets. All right, we have our oil here, our olive oil, all ready to go. It's about 350 degrees.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go ahead and fry these cutlets.
Beautiful chicken cutlets. They ain't cutlets yet. They will be as soon as they're fried.
That's right.
Oh, they're gonna make some nice chicken Parmesan sandwiches today.
All right, we had these frying for about 2 minutes. You're gonna flip them over. You want them golden brown. Look at that, beautiful. All right, these are ready.
Beautiful cutlets.
Oh man, look at that. Perfecto. Nice. Put a paper towel under there, get some of that grease strained. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of these chicken cutlets. Nice. All right, cutlets are ready.
Perfect. Man.
Look at this.
Perfect
Oh,
chicken
God.
cutlets.
Oh, you can eat them just like this.
Yeah.
Squeeze some lemon on there, and you'll be good to go. All right, let's start the Philly cheesesteak.
All right, we're gonna get started on our Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. We're doing the original Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Let's get started.
All right. Yeah, there are some strong opinions out there about what should and what shouldn't be on a Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
Well,
You know,
yeah, you can put mushrooms on there,
Yeah.
peppers,
Yeah.
jalapenos if you like spicy, which I do. But also, too, a lot of places, I don't know why they do this, which I don't like. They make a beautiful cheesesteak sandwich with provolone, and then they pour that processed
whiz.
cheese on top,
Cheese whiz.
which is horrible. So I don't get it.
well, I'm sure there's a lot of heated debates about.
There's
About
no
the
heated
cheese,
debates here, man. None.
We want to show you how we make our Philly cheesesteak sandwich, the Brooklyn way.
Nah, Philly way. You gotta give credit where credit's due. Wow, did you just sharpen this knife?
Yeah.
Sharp, man. All right, we're gonna Julienne slice.
Nice.
Ow! Joking. Okay. We got some olive oil here. And we're also too gonna throw our sliced up ribeye in there also. We put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes. This way I can cut it real thin.
Paper thin, yeah.
Yes.
Right. Nothing like sauteed onions. Flip them. Nice. All right.
salt in there, a
Full.
little pepper in there.
Salt and pepper.
We're gonna season it again once we get the beef in there. So,
Nice.
but I'll just season it a little bit now.
Here's our ribeye.
All right, we got a nice 5-pound piece of ribeye here that I got this morning. I'm gonna cut a little bit of the lip off here. Because we're gonna have plenty of fat in the middle of the steak. Just want to take just a little bit of fat off. Taking most of the fat off because we're doing sandwiches, but when you're making prime rib, you kind of want to leave not a lot of it on, but you know, because we got perfect.
Oh, that looks good. Perfect marbling.
Yep.
Look at that. Very nice.
All right, we're going to slice our beef.
All right.
Like I said, you want to do it thin.
Paper thin. Very nice. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put together the chicken Parmigiana.
Yeah.
We got some delicious tomato sauce that I made this morning. You can get this recipe on our channel. Tomato sauce. All right, first thing we're gonna do is put a little bit of tomato sauce on the bottom of the pan here. Spread it around evenly. We got our chicken cutlets here. And lay these down real nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and top this off with a little bit of tomato sauce. We're gonna use cheese, but we're gonna use provolone. You can also use mozzarella also.
Mostly, that's what we use, but
Yeah, but
we
we're gonna
bought
do
this for the
provolone.
cheesesteak sandwiches, so.
Yeah, I figure might as well use it here. Put a nice couple of slices on each.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
I know, me too.
You got to get in restaurant mode, like you're
Beautiful.
cooking for 100 people at one time. Fast.
Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. Beautiful. Okay,
All right, we're going to butter our bread up a little bit here.
this is for the Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
I'm going to throw this in the oven and get a little bit toasted.
Very nice.
All right. Our onions are almost ready. Then we're going to put our beef, cook our sliced up ribeye in there.
Beautiful. You're ready.
Onions are ready. All right, we're going
Meat
to
ready.
put our steak in here. Our ribeye. Beautiful ribeye. How's it smell? Good? Always, even if you cook it well done, it stays pretty much tender with all the fat that's in there.
Yeah, definitely.
So, hi, I don't know how many of your subscribers are from the Dallas area, but if you want great pizza, you got to go to Caprizi's Pizza in Garland. It's on Jupiter and Campbell Road.
They have good sandwiches.
Really
too.
good food. The
Yeah.
pizza's really, really good.
Endorsement from Chef Dom. All right. Let's get this steak going here.
Our beef is done. I'm going to take it
right.
off the heat. Leave it right there.
Nice. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pull out the chicken Parmigiana. Let's check it out. Oh man, look at that chicken Parmigiana.
Beautiful.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the bread here. All right. Oh man, I'm gonna put this down here. It's like a puzzle. Oh, that's beautiful.
Maybe 3 pieces is gonna be good.
3 pieces is perfect. Oh man, look at that.
Now that's
Chicken Parmigiana. Let's get that cheesesteak in the bread.
Let's check the bread.
Check that bread out. Oh yeah. Nice. All right.
Right, we're gonna put our provolone on here.
Oh yeah.
And maybe we're gonna throw this in the oven for another minute just to get it nice and melty, man.
Nice. Perfecto. Beautiful. All right.
Throw it in the oven, get it a little toasty and melty, then we'll put out.
Perfecto. All right.
All right, we got our toasted bread here with our
look
melted
at
provolone.
that. Beautiful.
Now we're gonna fill this baby up, and then we're gonna eat.
Oh yeah.
Now this is a Philly cheesesteak sandwich,
Oh,
guys.
Beautiful. Gino and Pat, eat your heart out. Those are the 2 famous Philly cheesesteak restaurants out there in Philadelphia.
Philly.
Yeah.
Oh man, good to the last
That's really
drop.
good. Check out these subs. Excellent subs for game day. None of that Subway crap. Look at this.
Subway. Ugh.
I know, right? And these are definitely easy to prepare, and I tell you what, your family and friends will be blown away when they eat this.
Let's eat. I'm taking this big one right here.
I'm gonna try this one right here. Oh my God.
Very good.
Man. Now this is a steak sandwich, or Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Let's try a little bit of this real quick. Chicken at Parmesan. Wow. I know, look at that sandwich. Is that crazy? The chicken is moist, tender, the sauce is delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you guys next time.